World Mosquito Day, 20th August. World Mosquito Day, observed annually on 20th August, is a commemoration of British doctor Sir Ronald Ross' discovery in 1897 that female mosquitoes transmit malaria between humans. Ross is responsible for the annual observance, having declared shortly after his discovery that the day should be known as World Mosquito Day in the future. The London School of Hygiene and Tropical Medicine holds Mosquito Day celebrations every year, including events such as parties and exhibitions, a tradition dating back to as early as the 1930s. The day also aims to raise awareness about the causes of malaria and how it can be prevented, as well as fundraising for research into the cure of malaria. Mosquitoes. Mosquitoes comprise a group of about 3,500 species of small insects that are flies, order Diptera. Within Diptera, they constitute the family Culicidae, from the Latin culex meaning gnat. The word mosquito, formed by mosca and diminutive ito, is Spanish for little fly. Mosquitoes have a slender segmented body, one pair of wings, one pair of halters, three pairs of long hair-like legs, and elongated mouth parts. The mosquito life cycle consists of egg, larva, pupa, and adult stages. Eggs are laid on the water surface. They hatch into motile larvae that feed on aquatic algae and organic material. The adult females of most species have tube-like mouthparts called the proboscis that can pierce the skin of a host and feed on blood, which contains protein and iron needed to produce eggs. Thousands of mosquito species feed on the blood of various hosts, vertebrates including mammals, birds, reptiles, amphibians, and some fish, along with some invertebrates, primarily other arthropods. This loss of blood is seldom of any importance to the host. The mosquito's saliva is transferred to the host during the bite, and that can cause an itchy rash. In addition, many species can ingest pathogens while biting and transmit them to future hosts. In this way, mosquitoes are important vectors of diseases such as malaria, yellow fever, chikungunya, West Nile, dengue fever, filariasis, Zika, and other arboviruses. By transmitting diseases, mosquitoes cause the deaths of more people than any other animal taxon, over 7 lakh each year. Methods used to prevent the spread of disease or to protect individuals in area where the disease is endemic include vector control aimed at mosquito control or eradication, disease prevention, used prophylactic drugs and developing vaccines, prevention of mosquito bites with insecticides, nets, and repellents. Facts about mosquito-borne diseases. Female Anopheles culicifacius is the main vector of malaria and commonly feeds on cattle as well as humans. Anopheles, vector of malaria, breeds in rainwater pools and puddles, burrow pits, riverbed pools, irrigation channels, seepages, rice fields, wells, pond margins, sluggish streams with sandy margins. Anopheles mosquito mostly bites between dusk and dawn. Female Aedes aegypti transmits dengue, chikungunya, Zika, and yellow fever diseases to humans. Aedes aegypti bites most frequently during daytime, and peak biting periods are early in the morning and in the evening before dusk. Aedes aegypti mosquito breeds in any type of man-made containers or storage containers having even a small quantity of water. Eggs of Aedes aegypti can live without water for more than 1 year. Aedes aegypti usually fly an average of 400 meters, but it can be transported accidentally by humans from one place to another. Only female mosquitoes require a blood meal and bite animals, while male mosquitoes do not bite but feed on the nectar of flowers and other suitable sugar source. How to celebrate World Mosquito Day? Get involved by holding a fundraiser to provide nets or quinine, distributing information about the precautions people should take while traveling to danger spots, and celebrating the achievements of research into mosquitoes and how to prevent the diseases they carry. There are a lot of different charities out there that have been designed to help combat this disease, with malaria no more being the most famous. This charity supports the prevention of malaria in countries like Kenya, Namibia, Botswana, Ghana, and Nigeria. One of the ways that you can celebrate World Mosquito Day is by fundraising for a charity like this. Another way to celebrate World Mosquito Day is to spend some time raising awareness online. You can share facts about malaria and raise awareness about the condition so that people know about the dangers. It is also good to spend some time reading about different cases whereby people have suffered from malaria and made it through. These stories are incredibly inspiring and they can help to open your eyes to what this condition can do. You can also spend the day reading up on the great work that is being done at the moment. There have been millions of dollars spent on malaria protection, prevention and control around the world, so there is a lot of hard work that is being done. The WHO has report on this and it makes an interesting read as it helps you to understand how great the global undertaking is. This day is important when it comes to controlling and preventing malaria all around the world. We may think that we are not able to do anything in this fight, but we can. One message and one donation help towards the global efforts, and this is what really matters.